Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I will explain what is NATI CCL and how to claim 5 bonus points for Australian immigration. Just go to Google and search for NATI CCL. You will get the first link. Here this is about this NATI CCL. Here you can read this. This is a certifying agency through which you can claim 5 bonus points for Australian immigration. They provide 3 types of tests, but if you are choosing this particular type of test for immigration, you cannot work as an interpreter or translator, but you can claim 5 bonus points for Australian immigration. So you can read all these things here. Usually how they conduct the test is they have their test centers only in Australia. So until the recent time, if you want to take an NATI CCL test, you have to reach Australia and you have to visit any of the centers there and then take a test. But due to the current prevailing COVID-19 situation, now they are conducting this particular type of test through online, that is via Microsoft Teams. So this is a wonderful opportunity for us to take this test so that you can take from anywhere around the world. So this consists of 2 sections. You can get all the details here. So now I will explain how to book this test. Here you can see the eligibility criteria for pass. You have to score 63 or higher to get passed. So here are the various step-by-step instructions. First you have to create an account, submit your application. You will not be able to directly book a slot, but NATI will assess your application. Then they will confirm your appointment through email. Then you can confirm your slot. After that you can take an exam. So first I will explain one by one. Go to their portal. So if you are visiting this portal first time, just click here to register. Just provide your email ID, confirm your email ID and click register. You will get a temporary password. On trying to log in for first time, you will be asked to reset your password. Since I have already done that step, I am logging in here directly. Now click submit an application. Here please be careful, you have to choose this option, CCL testing. On successful registration of your email ID, you will get this customer number. You don't have to remember this number, but use this unique number whenever you call their customer care or you send any email communications to them. So here I already filled these details. For example, you can give your title, first name, middle name, family name, gender, date of birth, country of birth, email, verify email, customer number. Then you can directly validate your address in Google, or you can enter your address if you are staying in overseas and provide a valid phone number here. Click next. Here they provide 3 type of test in NATI CCL, but to obtain this 5 bonus points for Australian immigration, you have to choose the third one to obtain credentialed community language points. Then click next. So please be cautious here. If you choose this third option, even if you pass this certification, you cannot work as an interpreter or translator. If you want to work as an interpreter or translator, you have to select the first one and the test type will be different. So here they have list of languages by which you can take the test other than English. Please read this carefully. What language other than English? Okay. Here they have recently introduced Telugu. See this one. Previously they don't have this Telugu option. They have recently introduced Telugu. Okay. I'm just choosing Telugu here. Click next. You will be asked your preferred test location. Currently you will have only online. There is no physical test center now. Previously they had only physical test centers which were only in Australia. So please make use of this opportunity. At any point of time they may remove this online option and they may bring back the physical test centers. Click next. Okay, just click next. Okay, you have to select an passport size photo. Here I'm just selecting an dummy photo here. You have to select your accurate photo. This will be validated during your test. Next, you have to upload your identification document, which is your passport. I'm just adding a dummy document again here. You have to upload your passport alone. Then click, do you agree to the following terms and conditions? Click yes. Please read through all terms and conditions. Click finish. So read the instructions here. You have just submitted an application now. So you have not booked any slot now. So what happens now is NATI would have received your application details. They will just review your application details and they will check for the available time slots for your preferred language. They will get back to you with the available time slots. They will not directly confirm your time slot. They will just give you some time frame and asking you your confirmation. They will send you an calendar invitation. So once you confirm your time slot, you have to attend the examination through Microsoft Teams. So you would have already heard about this particular software. I'll just show you. So this is one of the software which is used by the NATCCL for evaluating your application. So on confirming your slot, the invigilator will come online. I will explain what happens during the time slot. You have to switch on your camera. The invigilator may not switch on their camera. They may turn off their camera, but you have to switch on your camera and then you have to rotate your camera to show your room. You should be alone in your room. There should not be anyone else in your room, and you have to switch off your phone and you have to show the phone to the invigilator in the camera. So if you may have some questions. For example, what happens if there is some disruptions in your internet connection, if something happens during the test, so don't worry about those things. It is just in human issues, human errors, so it will be taken care. They will reschedule your test, so don't worry about those kind of things. These are all technical issues, it will be taken care. So please read these things. Your application will be added to the processing queue for NATI to check, so they may take 1 week or more. Your application will be checked. Once approved, you will get email confirmation. That's what we discussed now, right? So you will be able to log into NATI, select a test date and make payment. But please be cautious here. Once you make the payment, if you want to cancel the slot, you may not get the full refund. They may charge you some amount for cancellation. And understand one thing, the demand for NATI test is very high, so please book the test in advance so that you can get those 5 bonus points for Australian immigration. And the test slots may open from September 2020. So that's all from my end. If you have any questions about NATI CCL, please let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.